Stop saying raise in professional English. If you want to sound more confident and formal, say this instead. Elevate. Welcome to Vocabulary Engine, one powerful English word every day to improve your vocabulary and help you speak confidently. Today's word is elevate. Elevate means to raise or lift something to a higher level. It's often used in professional, academic, or formal situations. When you say elevate, it sounds more sophisticated than simply saying raise. Elevate. Repeat after me. Elevate. She elevated her presentation to impress the board. It means she made her presentation better and more professional. This strategy will elevate our brand image. It sounds more professional than just saying improve. Elevate team performance through training. It means helping the team reach a higher level of efficiency or skill. In a business meeting, you can say, "We need to elevate customer experience." This sounds professional, strategic, and confident. Be careful. Don't use elevate for simple daily actions. Wrong. I elevate my lunch. Correct. I improve my diet. Elevate is mostly used in formal or professional contexts. Let's review. Elevate means to raise or lift something to a higher level, especially in professional or formal situations. Now write your own sentence using elevate in the comments. Subscribe to Vocabulary Engine and improve your English one word at a time. See you tomorrow.